So XMBA, I taught in MBA programs at Thunderbird, at ASU. MBA is a great degree to get to middle management. The MBA gives you knowledge, does not give you the wisdom to do well. So teaching MBA, and also having one, spending $140,000 at Thunderbird to get one, I would not, advise people in this world to go get an MBA, or even I would question the bachelor's degree, because knowledge is so abundant that it's kind of ridiculous to say that education is the entry, where that doesn't create intelligence. I know a whole lot of people that have bachelor's degrees that would hire a high school graduate over them. And I think it really goes to mindset, belief, and attitude. And that's the goal, that this XMBA becomes something meaningful to each one of you, and then everybody takes this program, that it really shifts your mind of like what it takes to be successful, because it really doesn't take anything but what you have inside you already. We don't need any other. In fact, knowledge is so readily available. I'm sure a lot of you have been on ChatGPT. I've checked a lot of my facts on ChatGPT. I'm sure a lot of you use Google throughout your life to figure out what things are. It's so readily available. There's opportunities to learn at an accelerated rate and learn how to use it. And we'll actually do that in this class later, in the second half of this class. But what you need to know is it has to take a mindset, belief, and attitude to use it so that it's effective for you. And I think that's where I believe I stumbled across the building blocks, because for 15 years, I was out facilitating in corporate boardrooms. And more in particular, I would take like the board of directors of Coca-Cola or Daimler, and I would take them to a place like Tel Aviv or Shanghai or Singapore or London. And we would go into those markets and we would look at 10 exponential companies. We'd actually go take these people into those companies, and I'd facilitate a conversation on each side of what they were doing to be exponential. So I got to be in a room with Elon Musk and Bill Gates and different people throughout that time. And what I saw is that exponential leaders think different. And that ideally, if a lot of you guys have read some of it or all of it or part of exponential theory, you kind of see that there's some themes in there that these leaders in a small group of people, it's not that Google started with 80, 100,000 people, or now a couple 100,000 people. They literally started with 2 guys.